Check. Fire. Specifications 2024 Lexux GX550, engine, price, dimensions, interior and exterior. 2024 Lexux GX550. When it comes to this car, there may be some people who think that this car is quite interesting. If you pay attention, this car looks unique and cool to drive. Yes, the 2024 Lexux GX550 has advantages such as this car has a front engine, 4-wheel drive, 5, 6, or 7 passengers, 4-door wagon. So if you look at the engine, of course this car will have a machine with great power. 2024 Lexus GX550 engine. For engine problems, this car uses a twin-turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve V6 engine, aluminum block and head, ports, and direct fuel injection. And with this engine, the 2024 Lexus GX550 will have a power of 349 horsepower at 5,200 revolutions per minute and for torque around 479 pounds-to-foot at 2,000 revolutions per minute. 2024 Lexus GX550 price. The price of the 2024 Lexus GX550 ranges from $64,250 to $81,250. This means that the price of the 2024 Lexus GX550 car has a different price for each type, such as 2024 Lexus GX550 Premium price $64,250. Price of 2024 Lexus GX550 Premium plus $69,250. Price of 2024 Lexus GX550 Overtrail $69,250. 2024 Lexus GX550 Overtrail plus $77,250 price. 2024 Lexus GX550 Luxury price $77,250. Price of 2024 Lexus GX550 Luxury plus $81,250. Dimensions of 2024 Lexus GX550. As for the dimensions of this car, namely, the length of the 2024 Lexus GX550 car is 197.1. The width of the 2024 Lexus GX550 car is 78.0 to 78.7 inches. The height of the 2024 Lexus GX550 is 75.4 to 76.2 inches. The passenger volume of the 2024 Lexus GX550 is F/M/R, 56 to 59, 51 to 52, 34 ft3. The rear cargo volume of the 2024 Lexus GX550 is F/M/R, 77, 40, 46 tenths ft3. Well, those are some brief specifications about the 2024 Lexus GX550 starting from the engine, price, and dimensions. So that after seeing this video we'll add insight especially about the 2024 Lexus GX550 car. Okay, hopefully useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.